One of my goals for the past year has been to organize all my gear. These IKEA branded pegboards have been great for that. They look great inside. They're easy to install with just two screws to hold up the brace, and then these little hand screws to hold the board to the brace itself. Depending upon where your studs are, you can use stud screws or drywall screws. I've got drywall screws in here because my studs are kind of weird. But it's got an assortment of hooks, such as these little short hooks, these longer hooks. I've got it with some other stuff over here, and you've got these little shelves, which I use this to keep my phone on. You've got the little buckets here as well, which have an assortment of things, such as pins or pet hair tools. And yeah, I think these little pegboards are great. I've been able to find all the gear that I need, and I absolutely just love these.